Friends, today we are going to make a beautiful painting, that is Madhubani painting. As you know that Madhubani painting is the traditional art of Bihar. Okay, today we are going to make a beautiful Durga Madhubani painting. Okay, for that I have sketched one Durga sculpture here. See, portrait, one Durga portrait with a pencil. So here I did one sketching Durga face. Okay, so here I finished total sketching with pencil. Now we are going to start the Madhubani painting. For the Madhubani painting, first thing you need to do the outlining. Okay, I'll start the outlining, and here I have taken the CD or DVD marker. See here, you can see this CD or DVD marker. Now with this marker we will do the total outlining. And previously I did so many Madhubani paintings. You can go through those all Madhubani paintings in my channel. And because of Navratri, today I am doing this Durga painting. And this Madhubani painting is also called as Mithila art. It is called Mithila art. And while doing the outlining, be careful. See here, wherever I want, I do the thick black outlining. See here, it is somewhat broad. It gives some specialty in the designing, and I'll show step-by-step procedure to do how to maintain the designing everything in the Madhubani painting. And you just go through the video and don't try to skip. If you go through the video, you can understand where to do and how to do the designing and which type of designings we can follow in the Madhubani painting. And as we know that this is a very traditional painting of Bihar, so we need to do this painting very carefully. See here friends, I'm just making whatever the design I want. And as you know that Madhubani painting is like a line art. Okay, so we need to follow everything by this outlining, and somewhat typical art it is. And here whatever the design you want, I'm making for the earrings. It is, you can go through your own designing here. It's not particular that you have to follow these steps only. You can go through your own designing. And main thing, wherever the lines and whatever the lines slanting, horizontal and straight lines we are drawing, those things must and should you follow this. So then only your painting will look gorgeous. That's what you need to follow, those lines. Okay, so that you need not to skip the video, and you just follow, go through the video. And friends, one more thing I would like to say, that before doing this sketching everything, you must need to draw one border here. Okay, this border will give very beautiful look to your painting, so that don't forget about to draw the border. Okay, see here, now I am doing the border designing here. See friends, here I did two lines here. You can observe it. Okay, now I'll start drawing the border. It's a very simple border I'm taking now. Like this. This lotus I'm taking, and you should see that whether it is in the nice order or not, because one should not be far away and one should not be near to the one lotus. Okay, the distance between the two lotus should maintain equal distance. Okay, that's what that we need to take care. Like this, we need to fill everything. Okay, and as I told that you can do any design whatever you wish. Okay, see here friends, here total outlining we did. Now we will create the designing. Okay, and that means the lines, wherever you want the lines we will give. First I'll start with the border. Here I'll do the slant lining in the lotus. See, like this. And in this side see here friends, we have finished totally head, whatever the head part is there, totally we have finished. Now we will go for the designing. Here for the each and every block, see here how I am doing. Like this, slant lines I am drawing, and in this side I am drawing like this. Like this, see? Okay, and here also, and I can change the lining part also, like this. See, here I am doing like this part. Okay, and here also in the same way. Okay, see here I left one leaf here, and I did one by alternative leaves. Okay, and in the earrings I do like this. Here I said that as usually, however you want, like that you can finish your designing part. Okay, like this we will finish whole sketching part, whole outlining part. Okay. Friends, here we have finished total sketching and outlining also. Now we are starting the coloring.